Hey everyone, if you follow me online, you may have seen my tweet today. I posted this tweet about Ledger. I was unaware that the Ledger isn't suitable for mining to. This means you need to store coins on another wallet before sending to the Nano S. It was in response to this one. If you're a miner, if you receive coins from mining activities, it should explain the unexpected length to verify or synchronize. Please refer to this article. I wasn't aware of this, guys, and I might be ignorant about that. Or I might have been ignorant expecting a hardware wallet to be able, to have an address that you can mine to. But they explain here in this article why that large amounts of small transactions, like mining, if you're sending 10 coins every hour or every 10 minutes, it's a problem for the Nano. And they explain in this article. Now, I'll link to this article, you can check it out. They do explain the technical reason why it can't be done and why it shouldn't be done. But I'm very disappointed, if I'm honest. So I'm going to be doing the review of the Ledger Nano soon. I'll do a kind of walkthrough. I've just been really busy. I've got it sitting there. I have installed it and I've tested it and all that. Now, security, as I said, it's something that I want to take quite seriously. I've got the Ledger Nano here. I've got the KeepKey. Get it in the shot. KeepKey. I've still to open that. I've also got the Trezor. So I've got a couple of different options here as far as hardware wallets. But, I need to determine which one I'm going to use, which one I like and all that. But my idea with all these hardware wallets is when I find one or two that I like, is that instead of mining to Electrum wallets or the GUI wallets, I would mine to the address associated with these hardware wallets. So I would just mine directly to the Bitcoin address or the Ethereum address or to the whatever address. Obviously, I'm not mining Bitcoin. I'm talking about an alt pool. But yeah, if I was mining Ethereum, I could just get the Ethereum address for the Nano. I could mine directly to it. Now, I'm not sure if the Trezor and the KeepKey work in the same way. I haven't tested those. I'm still kind of a novice with those beyond just looking at the ads for them. But for the Ledger, it's a little bit annoying that I can't mine to this and I have to mine to another wallet, because ideally what I was hoping to do was, if I have the Nano, then I'm not going to install an Ethereum wallet. I'm not going to install a Zencash wallet. I'm not going to install a Litecoin wallet. I'm going to have them all on this. But if I'm mining Ethereum, if I'm mining Bitcoin private, if I'm mining all these other things, I'm going to have to install the Electrum wallets. You actually have to install the Electrum wallet for Bitcoin private anyway, because it doesn't integrate fully. But yeah, and I'm going to still, for example, if I start mining Zencash for a month, I can't mine to this. I'm going to have to install a Zencash wallet, and then periodically I'm going to have to send that money, the mine coins, to the Nano. Now, you could argue that that's acceptable. It's the way it should be because this is a storage device. But ideally, I'd like to cut out the middleman. Ideally, I don't want to have any wallets installed on my PC. I want to have the hardware wallet. And I don't know, because when you think about it, the whole point of this is security. But if you've got a wallet on your PC and you shouldn't have it because, maybe you could argue you shouldn't have wallets installed in your PC, like Electrum wallets and GUI wallets, because if your computer got malware, if it got infected, someone could maybe steal your funds. But if you have to mine there before you actually send to this, then how secure is this? It's one of those things. I'm just annoyed. I'm annoyed, guys. I wasn't aware of this. Maybe I was wrong to assume that you could mine to an address, that was associated to this. For whatever reason, this doesn't seem to be able to handle large volumes of small transactions. They want you to send, basically less transactions. Larger amounts, less transactions. I wasn't aware of this, guys. So that's why I wanted to do a video about this. As I said, there's obviously a technical reason for it. This is the reasons here. This is the reason here. They explain it all. They explain why they can't do it, why they don't want you to do it. A little bit of a pain, though. A little bit of a pain. So I will detail this, and I'll speak about this more in detail when I do a kind of walkthrough and show you guys how this works. I'm not sure if the Trezor or the KeepKey, how they work, and if they kind of have a similar problem. But yeah, it's a little bit annoying. I'd like to cut out the middleman. If I'm going to use a hardware wallet, I don't want to have several wallets still on my computer. And I'm not going to say it completely removes the point of having a Nano, but it's annoying. It's very annoying. Let me know what you think about this, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.